Okay, today we got Philips' newest white bulb, or wider light bulb, the CrystalVision Platinum. So these are brand new, they just came out last year. Finally got my hands on them. They've been hard to get. I haven't seen them in stock until a few weeks ago. So let's see what they say. They say a light color of up to 4000K. That's a bit more believable than what Osram is saying with 5000K. And lifetime of just under 150 hours. 60% brighter than standard bulbs. But yeah, let's open one up and take a look. Yeah, these are designed in Germany and then made in Poland. So here's the bulb. It's interesting. It looks like the bottom portion of the bulb has a bit of a like rainbow effect, kind of like a HIR bulb does. That'd be interesting if they made HIR H7s, but I doubt that'll happen. So I don't know if here, try and get the focus a bit. See, this bottom part of the bulb is a darker blue than the top. I think that's to allow more light out from the top and not interfere with the output, but still have a white light. As usual, it looks pretty good. So let's see what their code is now. NWG. Yeah, this must be the new code for these CrystalVision Platinums. Yeah, let's go install them and do our usual drive and LUX test on them.